What's up guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Happy December, the best month. The holiday season is here. I'm so excited. This is my favorite time of the year and it's just the best way to close out the year. So I'm so excited. I have my little Christmas tree here. I have to, I'm in the spirit. I'm in the Christmas vibe and I hope you guys are too, or I hope you are for this couple of minutes that you get to do my makeup with me. But yeah, so today we're gonna do a holiday / Christmas type of makeup look. I don't really know exactly what I'm going for, but I know I want red lips. So let's see where it goes. Let's get into it. I picked up a new primer. It's the Smashbox Pore Vanishing Photofinish Primer. And I got it because I wanted something that was gonna really smooth out my pores. And a lot of products claim to do that, but they really don't. And this one had pretty good reviews, so I figured I would give it a try. So let's see. Okay, it looks like it's gonna, it looks like that, remember that old Becca primer? Ooh, okay. Instant smoothing of the pores, instant, wow. That is nice. It's definitely like some sort of like silicone texture, I think. Let me see what it says. It's a pore vanishing face primer that minimizes the look of noticeable pores, visibly smooths fine lines, evens texture, controls shine, and grips makeup all day. Soft focused semi-matte finish, makeup glides on and stays put, infused with vitamin E. All right, so I was able to make those two little lines stretch for my whole face. It's spreading very easily, and I'm not even gonna hold you. As soon as I put it on, I felt like I saw my pores minimized. So let's see how it looks under the makeup. As I'm getting older, I'm getting a lot of like little tiny moles on my face. My mom has them, it's like a family thing, and I love them. I think they're so cute. They're not super visible, so you guys probably can't even see them. They're like very, very small. But it's just so crazy how your body just changes. As you get older, you essentially turn into your parents, and I love it. I'm going to be mixing two foundations today. I'm gonna mix the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation in the shade 4N62 with my Patrick Ta Major Skin Hydra Luxe Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation in the shade 20 Golden. I didn't have this in my haul, but I did pick this up during the Sephora Savings event. So this is only gonna be like my second time trying this. Not interested in using this by itself. To me, it's just a little bit too dewy for my liking on its own, but mixed in with like a matte foundation or a semi-matte foundation, it works really, really nice. Sometimes you just need like a little bit of each to make it work. I'm gonna use my Danessa Myricks Yummy Face 1.0 foundation brush to apply this. I want the coverage, but I don't want it cakey. So I'm going to try to use as little product as I can while also having the full coverage. That looks so good. I'm telling you, that Patrick Ta, I bought it this sale because I just have been seeing so many like really nice reviews or like people using it. And you know what? I think that pore minimizing primer is really doing its thing, honey. But yeah, I've been seeing a lot of people use the Patrick Ta, and I returned it when it first came out because it was too dewy, but I think it's excellent mixed in with other foundations. I'm not a fan of like the too dewy look. All right, this is where we are at with the foundation. It looks very, very nice. I'm loving the finish. Now we're gonna go into bronzer or contour. I think I'm gonna use my Juvias Place today. Yeah, I'm gonna use Juvia. This is the Juvias Place, I guess, cream bronzer in the shade Amber. And I'm taking my Real Techniques 241 brush. This is a good one because it's deep, but it's also warm. And sometimes that is what you need. I really didn't even need that much. Now we're gonna go into concealer. And I'm gonna use concealer that I know is going to perform. All right, I'm gonna use the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer in 4.5N. And then I think I'm gonna brighten with 4W. I'm gonna go in with the same concealer in the shade 4W. Just going to go over these edges with my foundation brush, not adding any new product, just using what's left on the brush to sort of just blend out all of my edges so we don't have any harsh lines. I'm gonna take my puff and lightly press this in because I am gonna go in with one more concealer shade. So I like to layer my concealers, as you just saw me do. Sometimes, you know, you can try that if you want it to be like a gradual brightness versus just going in so heavy with something so bright. I feel like it blends in better. It takes a little bit more time. And so for the last layer of concealer, I'm going to use my Kevyn Sensual Skin Enhancer in the shade SX11. This is like the perfect brightening shade for me. A little bit goes a very long way. And I'm making sure to blend out all of those creases under my eye because I'm gonna set soon and I don't want to set any creases. Alright, let's go back again with the foundation brush and just make sure to blend out our edges. Now we're gonna go into our cream blush, and today I'm gonna use my Rhode Pocket Blush in the shade Velvet Teddy. This is a gorgeous, like, neutral toned blush for our skin tone. It just adds just a little bit of warmth, a little bit of, it's like a spicy brown kind of color. And I think it is a must-have if you are a brown girl. I have this one, and I have Sun Soak, which is like a burnt orange color. Very, very nice color too, but if you had to get one, I would say definitely choose Toasted Teddy. It's just more everyday friendly. And look at that. It is such a gorgeous color. I love it. Now we're gonna set the under eye. And today I'm gonna use my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder in Translucent Medium. I haven't used this in a really long time, so I grabbed it. I don't even remember if I like it, if I don't like it, but we're gonna find out today because this was not a cheap powder, so it needs to be used. Okay, I'm gonna stop here with that powder, but I'm gonna set the rest of my face. And I'm gonna use my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Dark Tan. I wanted to use Dark Deep, but I have no idea where Dark Deep is. So I'm just gonna go in with my BK Beauty 104 brush because it's a large and fluffy brush, so it's gonna just evenly distribute. It's not too dense, it's not giving me coverage or anything like that. I'm just gonna go over everything, get everything set. I think I'm gonna bake ever so slightly. I'm gonna use the powder that we just used, the Hourglass, and I'm just gonna put a little bit here just because I think I'm gonna use some shimmers and I don't want to have too much fallout. This will catch the fallout. I'm gonna go into my Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 matte eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna start with this shade here in the crease, and then I'm gonna go on top with this shade here. Now I'm gonna go into this color right here because it's cool, it's not too dark, and I think it might go really well with the green, but I'm gonna keep it like along the outer part and like lower in the crease. For my lid shade, I'm gonna go into the Danessa Myricks Beauty I Am palette. And there's this really nice green color down here, and it's called Enough. So I'm gonna use that. I wanna get her the tool that she just came out with to pick up these products with, because to me, they don't really work with a brush, and I really gotta use my finger, and it's annoying getting your finger dirty. And just using the same brush, I didn't put any product back on it, the crease brush, just to blend out the crease. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But I went in with the House Labs crayon, lip crayon in the red shade. But I'm gonna go on top of that with the Sephora Cream Lip Stain number 97. It's this burgundy-ish red. And I love using this with number 129 because it gives a beautiful, beautiful red. And then I'm gonna go in the middle of that with number 129. So the lips are done. Now we're gonna go into our blush. The blush, I'm gonna use my Benefit Java blush. It's very similar to the Toasted Teddy. Okay guys, this is the final look of my Christmas inspired makeup look. Yeah, I think it came out really, really good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm obsessed with the lips. This is like my favorite lip combo. I've been doing this for like forever. I only use these these two shades around Christmas time. I love the primer that I used, and I love the mixture of those two foundations together. And then the lips are just everything. I'm extra, of course, and I have my little headband here, and we're gonna pop this on and see how it looks. It's definitely too much. I'm not even gonna play myself. I look like a teenager. Take it off. Thank you guys for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for some more fun Christmas looks, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.